Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a bubble box. First, gather all your components, the bubble box itself, the air tubing, and your air pump. Make sure your aquarium is clean and filled with water to the appropriate level. Always take a moment to review the manufacturer's instructions for your specific model to ensure a smooth setup and safe operation. This initial preparation is key for a successful installation. Now let's connect the pieces. Take one end of your air tubing and firmly attach it to the output nozzle of your air pump. Then, connect the other end of that same tubing to the inlet port on your bubble box. It's important to place your air pump in a dry, elevated spot, ideally above the water level, to prevent any back siphoning issues. This ensures a safe and efficient system. With the connections made, it's time to place the bubble box. Gently lower it into your aquarium, making sure it's completely submerged. You'll want to secure it firmly to the tank bottom using any included suction cups or weights to prevent it from floating. Finally, adjust the air tubing to ensure there are no kinks, allowing for an unobstructed and consistent flow of air to your bubble box. This step is crucial for optimal performance. Once everything is in place, plug in your air pump and watch the bubbles begin. Observe the flow to ensure it's working correctly. If your system has an airflow control valve, you can adjust it to get just the right amount of bubbles for your tank's aesthetic and oxygenation needs. Remember to regularly check for any blockages or wear and tear on the tubing. Also, for more great deals and to bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.